purchased a gimbal just to help my footage because it's been pretty wobbly recently, so it's my unboxing. Didn't get anything out. Pretty well wrapped. So first we have stand. Put it on side. Next we have the gimbal. This has been long needed because I never seem to get stable footage. Seems I can't get anything out of the box either. Oh wow, okay. So we have an envelope. So warranty card, okay. Nothing else in there. There's our instruction manual. And here is our gimbal. Okay. Into my battery. There's that big battery. Some screws, a USB cable. Guessing that's for charging. Try USB-C would have been so much better. Seems I can't get away from this port yet. It won't focus. Focus. Guess the battery goes in there. So it looks like it charges from here. Okay. And then this battery goes in positive first, so it goes in like that. Obviously I've got to take this off. quite noisy. Definitely quite noisy. There's a lot of motor noise with this thing. So what I'm going to need to do is install a mic. I'll be installed here. But yeah, quite noisy. So this is what I'm going to be using for my footage because it's been too long now and I can't get any stable footage because of when I have one of these and the GoPro is not very stable. But I now have one of these, so things should be much better. I have to learn how to use it properly, but yeah, it should be good. So that was the Gimble unboxing. So just literally as I started unboxing this, my microphone then decided to come. So I may as well do a fitment of that. I also have to fit the side mount, shoe mount, whatever you want to call it, to get this to function correctly. So we're going to put this gimbal to one side for a minute. We're going to open this. And then next we have this. So I opted to get a Rode microphone. There's a couple of reasons why I went for this microphone. Mainly because the one that I'm going to be using on the motorbike is not really ideal for what I'm trying to do with the gimbal. Not only that, 2-year warranty, plus people recommend it. So in this gimbal, the gimbal microphone, we get this kit. Rode microphone. That's in that dead cat. That's our microphone. So, what we're going to do now is just fit our assembled microphone to the gimbal. Leave that there. we go. We've got 2 different length bolts, so one's longer than the other. So if we use this one, oh yeah, here we go. Silly me. That's on there now. So it's our microphone. So I've got 2 choices for this one. Ideally I want it this way. The 2 choices was that either have it vertical or horizontal. So this direction, not sure if it could be locked in place. That'd be a good idea, because even when it goes on, it's you can see it's she's going to sit there. So if that gets knocked, it's going to go straight back and straight off. Yeah. So if I need to tighten this up on here, all I need to do is undo this. Well, not undo, but you do it up. So this is where you'll get it when you get it. Focus. So you'll get it in this position so it comes easily on and off. Slide it on, turn. Gets a little bit snug and then coming off. The last thing I want it to do is rattle and pick that up in the mic, for example. The noise from it rattling in there, anything, just as snug as anything can be is how you want it. So now this is good to go. Just need to get my mic adapter, which all them horrible GoPros have. So anyway, let's just get this mic adapter and we are good to go, as long as I get some cable ties. So, focus, there we go. Mic adapter goes in, maybe this way around, and I need to tie it up like so. So as you can see, I've got the Velcro currently on it for the motorbike, which didn't work too well because it still came off. So I might as well lose that because that's ruined. Right, so we've got some cable ties here. Got a nice long, strong cable tie here. The question is, which way around do I want it? I'd say this way around, because we've got plug for HDMI there, which we're not going to need, so I say tie it down like this. Let's unplug this, get it tied up. Now that is not going anywhere. Cable tied. Nothing fancy here. It's not going to look pretty, but it's not, yeah, I'm not trying to look pretty here. So then this goes in the bottom, and voila. And we're done. So need to cut this off. Down a bit more. There we go. Let's see what happens when we switch it on. It holds it. Job well done. As you can see, perfectly straight. No problems. at all. Sweet, job's again, we're done. So I'm going to get some footage with and without the mic attached to this GoPro next. That's the next thing I'm doing. So we'll see how we get on. But yeah, as you see, I didn't show everything in detail, but I just wanted to show that I was what my setup's going to be. Basically, it's GoPro adapter, gimbal, and the microphone. Just so you can see what I'm going to be using now in future for some of my videos. My X-Max is going to be a slightly different story, unless I can get someone to help me with my footage, to get some nice footage on it. And when I'm out at car shows, I'm going to be using this. So the X-Max is still it's going to be a strange one with the X-Max. We'll see how I get on and see if I can use this with the X-Max. But yeah, thanks for watching. Audio with GoPro, can you hear me? 1, 2, 3. This is audio with microphone. Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3.